Hello, and welcome to our new video. In this digital age, the need for printing, scanning, and copying documents remains a vital aspect of both professional and personal life. To meet these demands, all-in-one printers have emerged as essential tools that combine multiple functions into a single unit. These innovative machines are space savers and offer convenience and efficiency. With the abundance of options available in the market, choosing the best all-in-one printer can be a daunting task. So get ready as we review the top 5 best all-in-one printers in this video. The links of these printers are mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and let us know if you like the video. Number 5. Canon Megatank GX4020. This Megatank GX4020 from Canon is a multifunctional device that can handle printing, scanning, copying, and faxing tasks, providing versatility and convenience. You can print up to 6,000 black and 14,000 pages in color with a single set of ink bottles. These ink bottles have a keyed nozzle design to ensure you can only insert the correct ink bottle into the corresponding color tank. It utilizes a 4-color pigment ink system. It ensures high-quality prints with sharp text and vivid images. The Megatank GX4020 offers fast print speeds, printing up to 18 images per minute in black and 13 images per minute in color. That enables efficient and quick printing, saving you time and increasing productivity. The printer supports printing on various media types, including envelopes, business cards, high-resolution paper, and even banners. It can handle a wide range of paper sizes, up to a maximum size of 8.5 by 47 inches. Also, it has an automatic document feeder system. Its 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen display provides an intuitive interface for easy navigation and printer control. It supports 3 different paper feeding options. The bottom cassette can hold up to 250 paper sheets, while the rear tray can accommodate up to 100 sheets. Number 4. Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550. Another best all-in-one printer is the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8550. It offers a range of features designed to enhance printing, scanning, and copying experiences. Epson's high-accuracy printhead ensures precise and sharp text, while the Claria ET Premium 6-color ink system delivers vibrant colors. This combination results in high-quality prints with accurate color reproduction. It can print up to 12 color pages per minute. For black and white printing, it can achieve a maximum print speed of 16 pages in a minute. It utilizes EcoFit ink bottles, designed for easy, mess-free ink refills. The printer supports a wide range of media types. These include photographic papers, plain office papers, and fine art papers. Its voice-activated printing feature lets you use voice commands to initiate print jobs. It includes USB and SD memory card slots, allowing you to directly print documents and photos stored on USB drives or SD cards. Also, it supports Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 3. Canon Pixma TS9520. The Canon Pixma TS9520 is a multifunction device allowing you to print, copy, and scan documents and images. This inkjet printer produces excellent quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp details. It utilizes a 5-color individual ink system, allowing for more precise color reproduction and cost-effective ink replacement. Its maximum print speed for color prints is 10 images per minute and 15 images per minute for monochrome prints. It supports multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB. That allows you to connect and print wirelessly from various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. It supports AirPrint for iOS devices and the Mopria print service for Android devices. Moreover, it features an SD memory card reader, allowing you to print photos and documents from an SD card. The Pixma TS9520 supports a wide range of paper types and sizes. It can handle papers ranging from 3.5 by 3.5 inches to 11 by 17 inches. It has an auto document feeder system and supports auto duplex printing. The printer can produce borderless prints with a maximum size of 11 by 17 inches or 12 by 12 inches. Also, it supports disc label printing. You can print custom labels directly onto printable CDs, DVDs, or Blu-ray discs. This printer from Canon has a flat scanner with an auto document feeder system. Finally, it features a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen display. It provides an intuitive interface for accessing printer settings and navigating various functions. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. This inkjet printer can print documents, make copies, scan papers or photos, and even fax documents. It is capable of producing professional quality color documents. Whether you need to print presentations, brochures, or flyers, this printer can deliver high-quality outputs with sharp and vibrant colors. It can print at a speed of 18 color pages per minute and 22 black pages per minute. It features self-healing Wi-Fi, which helps maintain a stable wireless connection by automatically resolving network issues. Additionally, you can connect the printer to your computer or laptop using a USB cable. Moreover, Ethernet connectivity is also available. Furthermore, with the HP Smart app, you can remotely print and scan documents using your mobile device or tablet. Its scan-to-email feature allows you to scan documents directly to your email account. The auto document feeder system allows you to place multiple pages in the feeder tray, and the printer will automatically feed and scan or copy them without requiring you to place each page on the scanner glass manually. Auto two-sided printing and scanning automatically perform double-sided operations without user intervention, making these tasks more efficient. The printer has a color touchscreen display, allowing easy navigation, menu selection, and configuration adjustments. There is a 250-sheet input tray. Finally, the HP OfficeJet Pro comes with built-in security features to protect against viruses and malware. These security measures help safeguard your device and data, ensuring the privacy and integrity of your printing tasks. Number 1. Brother MFC L8905 CDI. This laser printer from Brother can do printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. Also, it has duplex capabilities for all these functions. It can print color and black and white documents at a maximum speed of 33 pages per minute. The printer utilizes ultra-high-yield replacement toner cartridges. The black cartridge can print 9,000 pages, while each color cartridge can print around 8,000 pages. It features a 70-page capacity auto document feeder that enables efficient scanning and copying. It can scan both sides of a page in a single pass with speeds of up to 58 images per minute. Also, the printer offers the ability to scan documents and send them directly to various destinations, including cloud services from the touchscreen display. Its triple-layer security allows you to control access to the printer, secure documents, and protect your network. It has an integrated NFC card reader for simple badge validation. The printer has a 7-inch color touchscreen display, providing an intuitive interface for accessing various features and settings. Additionally, you can customize shortcuts on display, creating up to 64 personalized shortcuts for quick access to frequently used features or workflows. The device also has a legal-sized document glass for scanning and copying various media types and sizes. It has a 250-sheet capacity paper tray and a 50-sheet capacity multi-purpose tray. You have the option to expand it by adding optional trays, allowing you to increase the total capacity of the printer to up to 1,300 sheets. Finally, it features Wi-Fi connectivity and Gigabit Ethernet network interfaces. Thanks for watching.